In this video, we can talk about top 5 Jasper Art alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the world of digital artistry, where technology and creativity intertwine to redefine artistic expression. In this video, you will come across the best contenders to Jasper Art, an ingenious platform that seamlessly transforms everyday photos into captivating works of art, breathing new life into the familiar. The top 5 alternatives of Jasper Art, which are Nightcafe Creator, DALL-E, Dream by Wombo, Stable Diffusion, and Starry AI, each offering a unique approach and distinctive features. Introducing the first one on our list as Nightcafe Creator. Nightcafe Creator is an innovative artistic tool that enables users to craft mesmerizing and surreal night scenes. It offers features like neural style transfer, AI face generator, and photo to painting. By harnessing advanced AI technology, this platform empowers you to transform your ideas into vivid nocturnal masterpieces. The standout feature of Nightcafe Creator is its ability to capture the elusive ambience of nighttime. Our second alternative is DALL-E. DALL-E emerges as a groundbreaking AI-powered platform designed for generating imaginative visual content. Some of its key features like photorealistic images, multiple variations, and great resolution. With its roots in the realm of art, DALL-E stretches beyond traditional boundaries to forge an intersection between creativity and artificial intelligence, translating textual prompts into intricate and often surreal visual representations. The standout feature of DALL-E lies in its ability to synthesize visuals from textual descriptions, enabling artists to create images that transcend the boundaries of their own imagination. Next up on our list is Dream by Wombo. Dream by Wombo introduces a whimsical twist to the world of artistic expression by offering users the means to animate images, breathing life into static portraits. It offers features like Edit with Text, NFT Remix, and Wombo. Powered by AI, this platform adds a layer of animation that ranges from subtle motions to playful transformations, allowing images to transcend their two-dimensional confines. One of the standout features of Dream by Wombo is its capacity to seamlessly animate images with various effects, transforming them into captivating visual stories. Moving on to the fourth one, we have Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion emerges as a nuanced tool within the creative landscape, focusing on the fusion of AI and traditional artistic methods. It offers features like GPU-enabled, high-quality images, and customizable prompts. This platform harmonizes the authenticity of hand-drawn elements with AI's computational prowess, facilitating a fluid exchange between human creativity and algorithmic assistance. The standout feature of Stable Diffusion lies in its ability to seamlessly merge traditional artistic methods with AI augmentation that empowers artists to navigate the intricate interplay between imagination and computation. Last but not the least, we have Starry AI. Starry AI emerges as a tool aimed at elevating the prowess of photographers by facilitating the transformation of daytime photos into stunning starlit night scenes. It offers features like bulk create, custom sizes, and NFT art creation. It capitalizes on AI's adaptability to envision scenes that are often beyond the reach of natural lighting, enabling photographers to unveil captivating nocturnal vistas. The standout feature of Starry AI is its capacity to reimagine the temporal dimensions of photography, reshaping the narrative and visual experience by introducing the mystique of the night sky into daylight captures. Compared to Jasper Art, Nightcafe Creator specializes in crafting enchanting nocturnal scenes and uniquely excels in producing emotionally evocative nightscapes. DALL-E core strength lies in generating visual content from textual prompts and stands out in its translation of text into intricate visuals. Dream by Wombo focuses on animating static images, imparting them with motion, and shines in its dynamic visual storytelling. Stable Diffusion bridges traditional drawing with AI assistance, fostering a co-creative process. Starry AI specializes in transforming daylight photos into starlit night scenes, invoking a narrative shift. After thorough research multiple AI tools, we would recommend Nightcafe Creator as the best alternative to Jasper Art. Its unparalleled knack for crafting immersive nocturnal scenes introduces a touch of enchantment to digital artistry. By seamlessly blending intricate lighting and shadow manipulation, this tool creates a tangible emotional connection that resonates deeply with viewers. Its specialized focus on nighttime ambience offers artists a unique avenue to evoke emotions and transport audiences to ethereal realms, setting it apart as an exceptional alternative to Jasper Art. As our exploration of these remarkable alternatives draws to a close, we hope you found inspiration in the diverse possibilities that the world of digital art offers. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.